Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change or delete music on Instagram post. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then just head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon on the lower right corner, or you can directly tap on the plus icon. Just head over to the drafts. I'm just heading over to the draft and I'm posting this one. So I am going to post. So I am just choosing something from my gallery. So yeah, then tap on next. Again tap on next, or you can just add any song you want. Suppose I am adding this one. Tap on the check mark and go next. And as you can see, this song is already added in here. If I want to just delete the song from this post, then all I need to do is just to tap on the cross just beside the name of that song. So once I tap it, as you can see, that song is gone, and now I can share the post. And this is how you can just change or delete the music on Instagram post. And there's another way. You can also tap on share. Just select a music, go to the check mark, and then tap on share. Once it is posted, I'm heading over to it and just tap on the three lines icon on the lower right corner and then tap on edit. And there goes the option. As you can see, there is no option of changing the song right here, so we can't currently change it. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.